So in this video we're going to cover basically all of the stuff I've done on the Ender 3 V2 since purchasing it. It's my first 3D printer, so I think some of the modifications I've done have been really useful for me, especially for, I guess, improving the quality of the print and getting it to nearly professional levels. Like, it's pretty good for the price I paid. I think this printer was 270 euros, and the prints are amazing out of it. So the first thing I added to it was the bltouch, which what it does is it probes the bed in certain points, and then it basically maps the low spots and the high spots of the bed. So you know, like, your initial layer is perfect. Another modification that I did was I 3D printed a new cover for the screen, which doesn't really improve anything, but it's pretty cool. We also did the Prusa style knob. Just allows you to flip through the menus a lot better, quicker, cleaner, a lot faster. I also upgraded the springs to the yellow ones. They just keep the bed level for longer, and added red aluminium knobs, which are also very useful. I'd say the only downside is the aluminium knobs are pretty hard to turn, because there's not much grip you can get on them without tearing up your fingers. So I probably wouldn't. I'd probably keep the black injection molded one. I also added a magnetic bed, which just allows for you to easily take off the prints. It also, the PLA especially, adheres to it a lot better. You can see where I scratched it, where I drove the nozzle down when I was trying to calibrate the bltouch. But yeah, it's pretty good. I also added a metal extruder, which is just a lot better than the plastic one it comes with. It doesn't wear away, it just better quality in general. I also side mounted the filament so we could have like a direct line straight into the extruder, and I also added Capricorn tubing, as you can see in that video.